Hi guys!
Hi guys! Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel.
Hi!
Today we are here in Langford Park Lake. Around 15 minutes cycle.
Yeah.
Yeah? Did we ride the cycle?
Yes.
If you notice, we are on the matching shirt.
Oh, I'm hungry, Mama.
Are you hungry now? We're on matching shirt. Matching shirt and Papa shirt. Papa! Hi, Papa!
Hi, Papa!
We have our little activity. We're gonna play. Show them what we're going to play. Hold it like this. Yes. See? We're gonna play scavenger hunt bingo. We'll try to find as many as we can to complete this bingo.
Come on, guys, follow me.
Let's go. Where are you going? See, Papa? Look, this is
I'll do it like this one.
like this one. Okay. Do you want to cross it off our list?
Yes.
Okay, you do it like this. Oh, from here. Chew. Oopsie. To here. Chew. Done. You want to find the insect?
Like that
Cast on the ladybird. This?
grass.
Grass. Can you find the grass anywhere? Looks the same. Is it the same? Hello.
It scared me.
It's the same?
Yes.
It's a grass.
What's this?
Are you happy to circle it?
Oh, yes.
Grass. Well done, my lovely. What is this?
Stick.
A stick. Can you find a stick anywhere?
You hate this.
Yeah, I don't want you to hold that and run with the stick. But can you find it for now?
Oh, yes.
Huh? Can you find a stick?
Oh, no. Oh, this one have leaves.
There. Oh, it's the same. Yeah?
You want me to have different one. So, you want me to find it.
I want you to find it for now and drop it down. Yes.
I did drop it down.
You did. Well done. Happy to circle it?
Yes, because it's good.
And you found it.
Oh, where is it here?
Oopsie.
Let's find a butterfly now.
Can you see a flower? There's no much flower, no? Mhm. You can try. Grass, yes.
You seem like which one?
I can't find it anywhere. But it is still a grass, yeah? Get your flower then.
Yes, I got my flower.
Let me see.
Oh,
Flower starts with what letter?
wait.
What letter is that?
Far.
Letter F.
F.
Okay, happy to circle it?
Yes, because it's good. Oh my God. Let me put a sign on it first.
Is that the right one, huh?
Yes. Where is the flower? Here. Here.
Okay.
Here. Let me put a sign on it first. There's a sun standing on there with the flower. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's a plenty of flowers over there. Plenty of flowers over there. You must find another one. You must find another one.
Good girl.
So,
Circle it now. Circle it now.
what letter?
What letters?
He likes O. He likes the letter O.
Oh, circle it. Oh.
You said O. I'll mark a big O.
Big O.
Oh.
Ooh.
Yes.
Happy?
Yes.
Kinanglan na munang
What
kamot. What else? Okay.
A rock.
A rock. Can you find a rock somewhere?
Oh, yes. We can.
Is that a rock? Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't think so. Let me see. Let me see. Put it here.
Where?
Put it here on the table.
Oh, no.
It's not a rock. It's a seed.
See?
We have to go somewhere else to get a rock. It's not a rock, it's probably a pebble.
A pebble is a rock.
It is a rock, a small rock. But I want a bigger one.
Oh,
Okay?
I can't find the bigger one.
Okay, we move somewhere else and find a bigger rock. Okay?
Is that a ugly duckling duck?
So pretty. Go on now. Are you scared? Come. Go. Come close to your duck.
Oh.
Give them something to eat. Hey ducky, come on. What are you going to do? You're gonna feed them something to eat?
Yes.
Okay.
Papa, give me something for them to eat. Oh, Mommy, give me something that they can eat.
Okay. Let me check on my bag. Okay. You got it on your finger, on your hand, huh? Okay, go close to it. Give it to them. Come
They
here.
did wheel it here.
Did they? Okay na. Sige na. Okay, ducky. There's... Woo! Shit, oh, no, they're coming. They're all coming. Huh? Pato, baby pato.
Baby Pato. Oh, where's Baby Pato?
Where's baby ano?
Baby Pato.
Baby pato.
Yes. Where's Baby Pato? Where's Baby Pato?
Where's baby pato, huh? What do you call a baby pato?
A duck.
A duck.
Baby Pato's color yellow.
Aww.
Duck guys are not the same. They're supposed to be yellow.
Are they supposed to be yellow?
Yes.
Do you want some more for the ducks?
No. Just for me.
Just for you. You're still hungry?
My
Biscuit?
tummy's rumbling still.
Oh, she's so hungry. My baby is hungry.
My hunger is still there. I got a super hungry because I'm a super girl.
I'm super hungry. Oh. Do you want something else? Not that one, because that will not make you full. It will?